From our purpose-built facility on the north side of Brisbane, Reid Print Technologies has been bringing ideas to life since 1990. Using the latest digital printing technology and the expertise of a highly professional team led by Managing Director Clem Johnson, Reid Print Technologies can design, manufacture and supply a wide range of advanced products, including membrane keypads, graphic overlay panels and flexible printed electronics, to name a few. Depending on the design, rapid prototypes can be turned around in as little as 3 to 5 business days and then shipped anywhere, be it locally or across the globe. All of our products are proudly made right here in Australia. Don't compromise on quality. With Reid Print Technologies, you know that your important work is in the hands of exceptional production personnel, not some importer working from a back office. From the first inquiry to the final delivery, customer satisfaction is paramount. Our salespeople have a complete technical understanding of the product and can help you design a custom solution. The level of care and detail we put into everything we do simply cannot be matched. That's been a key part of Reid Print Technologies' philosophy since the very beginning. Being family-owned and operated, every aspect of the process has a personal touch, regardless of the size of the project. Of course, technology moves at a rapid pace, and that's why we're constantly raising the bar and looking for new and innovative ways to meet the complex needs of our clients across a range of industries: military, aerospace, medical, energy, mining and water, to name just a few. Want to know more about what we can do for you? Give us a call, send us an email or head to our website to request a no-obligation quote. Reid Print Technologies. Innovative printed electronics.